Well, hello there. This is Michelle with Stamp Breaker, and I am here today for a couple of hops. So the first one is Simple Stories Saturday. So I'm going to be using Simple Stories Color Me Happy, but I did beef up my kit a little bit, and I just realized that I have this paper that is not Simple Stories. It is Close to My Heart, Wild Berry, and I apologize. I think I'm going to use it. I'm also playing along with 30 Days of Sketches Series 21, and this is day 1, and this is Tara O'Rourke's sketch, and she is known as the Paper Snob. So she has a lot of mixed media. I am going to use the stencil that from Arden Creative that I have never used, but I had to have. And I'm super excited to use it. And I'm going to create a little bit of a background with it. I'm going to use Wild Berry and maybe also Lagoon. This is not going to be a true process video because I am behind, and I'm just gonna show you what I'm using, and then I will come back with the completed layout. It'll be short and sweet today. Oh, and it's this cute photo of Max lying beside my journaling Bible. And so I chose this paper with the, looks like little bow ties. It just looked a little more masculine. And the Bible is like this teal color, and I have a little bit of my pink robe here, but it's probably going to be covered up, but that's okay. So I will come back with the completed layout. Okay, I am back. So what I did is I cut the white down to 11 1/4 by 11 1/4. I did not gut the pink just for more stability, and because I have a bunch of cardstock from Close to My Heart that I need to get rid of. I forgot to tell you that I was turning the sketch on its side since I had a portrait photo. This kind of took a life of its own. I did use this, and instead of using Lagoon, I used Peacock since it matched that paper better. And if you mix Wild Berry and Peacock, you get a little bit of purplish, but that's okay. Also, I didn't have my stencil straight right here, and that's okay. Then I decided to get out my shimmer brush, Wild Berry, and so after I stenciled, I did splatter. You don't see a whole lot of it. And I was going to do Harbor also, but I noticed that I probably needed to let the Wild Berry dry so that they didn't mix, and I had to set it all aside. So then I took out my Versamat and I built this just on here, kind of like pretending there was a 12 by 12 piece of paper while the shimmer brush dried. And then I basically just put adhesive behind it and attached it straight to this background. So I'm really happy with it. It's a sweet photo that is documented. It's not perfect, but I did have this in Facebook, and I had saved it in my Facebook memories, and I had said something like this. So I like to write out my journaling somewhere else, and so I just used the back of this, and then I will attach this to the back of my layout with some washi tape so I can remember when I make a layout share what was going on with this layout. So thank you for stopping by, and I will include the links to the playlist for Simple Story Saturday and also for 30 days of sketches. And I will also try to remember to include Tara's YouTube channel. So I hope that I made her proud and come back for another video. I have one that I've already made and I am working on editing it, and it takes longer because it is a true process video. All right, I'll have some still shots at the end. Thank you. Bye-bye.